Tired of the chaos of event planning? Whova's all-in-one platform brings order to your event's complex logistics. First, let's build your agenda. Click on the Agenda tab to start crafting your event schedule. Add sessions, workshops, and breaks. Easily click the Add Session button and fill in details like title, time, speakers, and location. Now, let's highlight your speakers. Go to the Speakers tab and add profiles complete with photos, bios, and social media links. Link your speakers to their respective sessions within the agenda for seamless integration. Next, showcase your exhibitors. Add exhibitor profiles on the Exhibitors tab, including company descriptions, logos, and contact information. Guide attendees with an interactive map. Highlight important locations, sponsor booths, and points of interest within your venue. Keep attendees engaged with in-app messaging and networking features. Encourage connections and meaningful conversations. With Whova, experience a smoother, more engaging event. Simplify event logistics and create unforgettable experiences for your attendees.